Seeing number not in service when trying to call or text a T-Mobile user? This usually means the number is inactive. Common causes include a faulty SIM card, account issues like unpaid bills, or problems during number porting. T-Mobile's system checks the phone number's registration in its home location register. The HLR is a database which tracks active SIM cards and services. Damaged SIM cards, deactivated accounts, or incomplete number transfers can trigger this message. Since early 2025, T-Mobile has improved its app to help diagnose these problems. First, check that the SIM card is properly inserted and undamaged. Then, verify your account status in the T-Mobile app to ensure it is active and paid. If you recently switched to T-Mobile, the porting process might still be in progress. This can take a few hours to a day. This issue affects about 2 to 5% of users monthly. Start by restarting your phone and toggling airplane mode to refresh the network connection. Use the T-Mobile app's diagnostic tools, which include AI chatbots, to instantly check porting and SIM activation status. If the problem persists, contact T-Mobile support through the app, reducing call center volumes by 40% since early 2025. For porting issues, delays can last up to 24 to 48 hours. Monitor the status in the app. To avoid SIM damage, consider eSIM technology, projected to be in 70% of new devices by 2027. If you suspect a damaged or counterfeit SIM, use T-Mobile's SIM check tool. Experts estimate 60 to 70% of these issues are resolved with SIM or app diagnostics. To avoid recurrences, proactively manage your account and plan, and consider setting up backup services like Wi-Fi calling in case of outages. For example, during a mass porting outage in June 2025, users were able to track the status of their port via the app.